Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into the battle of processors. The Intel Core i7-12700K versus the AMD Ryzen 5-5600. Both of these CPUs are designed for gamers and high-performance users, but they cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and value for money to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i7-12700K stands out with its 12 cores and 20 threads, allowing for exceptional multitasking and gaming capabilities. It boasts a max turbo frequency of 5.0 GHz, making it ideal for demanding applications. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 5-5600, while still capable with its 6 cores and 12 threads, has a max boost clock of 4.4 GHz. This means that while the Ryzen 5 is a solid performer for its price, the i7-12700K is better suited for high-end gaming and content creation tasks. Price is a crucial factor for many buyers. The Intel Core i7-12700K is priced at $510, which reflects its high-end capabilities. However, for those on a budget, the AMD Ryzen 5-5600 offers a much more affordable option at $199. This significant price difference makes the Ryzen 5 an attractive choice for gamers and users who want decent performance without breaking the bank. Another important aspect to consider is the graphics capabilities. The Intel Core i7-12700K comes with integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics, which can be a lifesaver for users who do not have a dedicated GPU. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5-5600 does not include integrated graphics, meaning users will need to invest in a separate graphics card for any gaming or graphic-intensive tasks. This is an important consideration for those looking to build a budget-friendly system. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i7-12700K and the AMD Ryzen 5-5600 have their strengths and weaknesses. The i7-12700K is a powerhouse for those who need top-tier performance and integrated graphics, while the Ryzen 5 5600 is a fantastic budget-friendly option for gamers. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.